So I don't know what your pantry looks like, but my pantry has a lot of these ingredients in it all the time. We're talking rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, maple syrup, peanut butter, sesame oil, molasses. Maybe this is a little unusual. You've got fermented chili paste or gochujang. It's Korean. It's delicious. We want to use it a lot more on Inspired Taste. And some 5-spice powder. This all comes together to create the most delicious homemade hoisin sauce, which, if you hear the oven humming in the background, is going to be slathered onto some ribs later for our dinner. They turn into these gorgeous sticky ribs. Recipe is on Inspired Taste, so go and try it. Let's go make it.
Grab some fresh garlic and ginger. We want them to melt into our sauce, so finely mince them or use a microplane to grate them. Instead of a peeler, use a spoon to peel the skin from the ginger. It works like a charm. We also want to chop up the white and light green parts of 2 green onions. Save the darker green tops for later. Add a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil to a saucepan over medium heat and cook the garlic, ginger, and green onion until soft. Then turn off the heat.
Here comes the real magic.
Stir in soy sauce, maple syrup, molasses, peanut butter, rice wine vinegar, gochujang, a Korean fermented chili paste, and Chinese 5-spice. Then bring it back to a simmer. Then to perfect that sticky consistency, stir in some cornstarch mixed with water. See how thick it gets? Now you can store your homemade sauce in a jar in the fridge until you are ready to use it. It lasts for 1 month.
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.